The legend has arrived. This is the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora, the most powerful and technologically advanced Corvette ever built. A tribute to Zora Archistuntiv, the man who revolutionized the Corvette, this car is not just another step forward, it's a leap into supercar territory. With jaw-dropping performance, cutting-edge technology, and a bold new identity, the Zora is here to shake up the automotive world. Beneath the aggressive exterior lies the beating heart of a monster. Chevy has taken the incredible 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 from the Z06 and strapped on twin turbochargers. The result? A staggering 850 horsepower. But that's just the beginning. The Zora is also the first Corvette to feature hybrid technology, with an electric motor driving the front wheels. Combined, this powertrain delivers an earth-shattering 1,000 horsepower, making the Zora the most powerful Corvette ever. And with great power comes incredible speed. Thanks to its hybrid-assisted all-wheel drive system, the Zora launches from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. The instant torque from the electric motor means blistering acceleration, while the twin-turbo V8 delivers relentless power all the way to its top speed, expected to exceed 220 miles per hour. This isn't just a Corvette, it's a hypercar in disguise. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Zora is built for the track. With an upgraded magnetic ride control system, active aerodynamics, and massive carbon ceramic brakes, this car stays planted and controlled no matter how hard you push it. The all-wheel drive system doesn't just improve grip, it enhances handling, allowing for sharper cornering and improved stability at high speeds. Inside, the Zora is just as advanced as it is under the hood. The cockpit is designed for both luxury and performance, featuring premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and the latest infotainment system. The fully digital driver display provides real-time performance data, while the heads-up display keeps your focus on the road. This is a Corvette built for the modern era, blending raw power with cutting-edge technology. The Zora isn't just another Corvette, it's a statement. A statement that American engineering can compete with the world's best. With a price tag expected to be around $150,000 or more, it's the most expensive Corvette ever made. But when you consider the performance, the technology, and the sheer excitement this car delivers, it might just be the bargain of the century compared to European exotics. What do you think of the all-new 2025 Corvette Zora? Is it the ultimate American supercar? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content from the auto world. Stay tuned for more high-performance action, and we'll see you in the next one.